we will be taking a look at a fire alarm system in a rental home. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be basically giving you guys a virtual tour of the fire alarm system inside this rental home. Now you guys may remember I also did do a video back in May of another rental home, which is the same home I'm in today. And I'm back and I'm now going to go ahead and give you guys a tour.
Okay, before I go into the tour part of the video, I just wanted to show you that, as you can see here, I have a couple of the model numbers of the devices inside the house. I created this small slide presentation, which you can see in the YouTube video description. Obviously, I tried my best on getting the model numbers. Obviously, I can't just pull the detector down without going into trouble and sending a signal to the central station monitoring company. But here are a couple of the model numbers. As you can see, you can look through the presentation and see, but I do suggest looking at the tour part of the video as well, because the tour is very interesting as far as what the system has.
We are going to start out in the main family room. As you can see, we have the system sensor smoke detector, sounder smoke detector. I will put the model below. I'm not 100% sure what the model is, so I will be putting that below. We also have another one of the system sensor sounder smoke detectors, and this one is mounted inside of an office. For the first fire alarm notification appliance on the system, we have a system sensor low frequency sounder horn strobe, and this device is mounted in the family room. We are now going to go ahead and walk in the brand new kitchen. In the kitchen, we have an AmberX fire extinguisher. In the kitchen, we have a couple of ceiling sprinklers. We also have a wireless Honeywell Ademco wireless carbon monoxide detector. We also have an emergency light in the kitchen, all LED. The old one used to be an old incandescent one. Obviously, it was replaced due to the fire. We also have a Honeywell Ademco wireless carbon monoxide detector. In one of the bedrooms, we have another one of these system sensor smoke detectors with a sounder on it, as well as a Honeywell Ademco wireless carbon monoxide detector. We also have a single gang low frequency sounder in this bedroom as well. In the master bedroom, we have another system sensor smoke detector with a sounder on it. We also have another one of these system sensor single gang low frequency sounders. We are now in the upstairs hallway, and we have a system sensor smoke detector with another sounder, as well as another carbon monoxide detector, a wireless Honeywell Ademco carbon monoxide detector. In the upstairs hallway, we have another system sensor low frequency sounder. In another one of the bedrooms, we have another system sensor smoke detector with a sounder. And once again, we have another single gang low frequency sounder. In another one of the bedrooms, we have another one of those system sensor smoke detectors with a sounder. We also have another single gang system sensor low frequency sounder. In the dining room, we have another one of the system sensor smoke detectors with a sounder. Okay, for the moment you've all been waiting for. Here are all the control panels and all the devices that are connecting all these devices to the system. As you can see, we have a fire alarm documents box. We have a fire switch by Ultronics. I'm not exactly sure what that is. We have an Ademco firebox right here. We also have a dialer. But yeah, it is a pretty cool system. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed for this being a home system. They did an awesome job. I am now in the basement, and we have a system sensor horn strobe, which is in white. We have a couple more of these system sensor sounder smokes, a Buckeye fire extinguisher. These, I believe, control the sprinklers of the house. I could be wrong, but this is what I believe that they control. We have another one of those system sensor sounder smokes, and we also have another one of those Honeywell Ademco wireless carbon monoxide detectors. Believe it or not, the only smoke detector in the house was this detector down in the basement. Before the fire, there was never this big fire alarm system installed. Pretty cool fire alarm system in the basement as well. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day. I will see you in the next video.